So hi guys, this video is about like why the most of the used apps built by tech giants won't crash. So let's come to it. So think that imagine you build a mobile app like generally some students of engineering or that particular students will be building mobile apps or anything websites. So think that it goes completely viral overnight. And after building it, and the next day when you wake up, you will be seeing 100 million users are trying to use it, and most people think that when most of them will be trying to use it, they think that if it won't respond, the app will crash, something like that. But it doesn't, it is not the actual thing. It crashes because your server CPU spikes to 100% and the database can be locked up. So the thing is like, but how do apps like WhatsApp or many other like Snapchat, Instagram will be handling million of users every second without breaking a sweat? Like even if million of users use at the same time, even for particular one, like for a few seconds also, it won't crash all that way. So we'll be seeing all the things today. So today we are going to build a crash-proof backend architecture from scratch. Okay. So the first rule of scaling is simple, like never rely on one giant machine, like only don't rely on one thing. Instead of making one server bigger, we use horizontal scaling. We deploy multiple we deploy multiple cheap servers running the exact same backend code. But we need to know like but how a users won't know which server to talk or enter the load balancer. Okay. Hope you guys are getting. So the to enter the load balancer, think of this as a highly efficient traffic cop sitting right next to the entrance. So if I need to say you particularly this is a user, this is a load balancer. Now user's information need to get to the load balancer. When millions of users hit your app, they talk to the load balancer. It instantly distributes the traffic even like when million of applications get into the load balancer will be evenly distributing them into the particular servers it has. See, like if one server catches fire, the other one will be taking care of it. So now the servers are fine, but the database is slow. Every server asks the database for the same data. So like databases, for example, in this case, we have taken the Postgres. Databases like Postgres will take time to answer. If million users ask, if million users ask it at once, it breaks. The fix is Redis. Like it is, think of it like a catchy thing. It is a cache that stores data in memory. Memory is super fast. The server checks Redis first. If the data is there, it comes back in less than a second or millisecond, and the database is same. Database is safe. So reading data is easy, but writing data is harder. Imagine now like 1 million or 1 lakh people upload videos at the same time, and you the particular thing like the server you are having a particular RAM, so you can't catch it. If all those writes hit the database, it crashes. The solution is a message queue. Think of it like a Kafka. Think of it like a conveyor. Think of it like a conveyor belt. The server puts the upload request on the belt and tells the user upload started. Then the background workers may take the request one by one and process them safely. Like what the videos were uploaded by the users. Think of it like now this is a conveyor belt, no? So all those will be this is one video, this is second, this is third video. So all will be getting work by line. So the last problem is like distance. If your server is in India and a user is in New York, the data must travel a lot of kilometers or miles, or sometimes like oceans. That takes time. And we fix this with the CDN. Like CDN is nothing but content delivery network. The CDN content delivery network will be copying your files and saves them on servers all over the world. Like this is one server, this is one server. Now with the help of CDN, it will be saving all the of yours in the servers all around the world. So when the New York user, for example, New York user clicks play, the video comes from the server nearer to their home, fast and smooth. Hope you guys understood. I think so, and that's it. The same. This is all what we discussed now. The same system with apps use like load balancer, sometimes Redis, Catchy. message few CDN. Together, they make your app strong and ready for a million of users. And it's nothing but building app is not only like coding. The thing is that by the help of building apps, you guys should learn something like how it works, what the code you have written, not just copying from the AIs. Okay. If you are having any doubts, just comment, do subscribe. See you next time.